other reason why the battery could be alarming is a low battery event. So there is a separate set of LEDs on the opposite side of the unit which flash in amber and are marked with the word battery. So in the event of a low battery alarm, the unit will first start beeping, and it'll do this at about 4.5 volts until the battery life decreases further. Once it gets to a critical point, it will actually turn off your supply to your hot water service before the batteries go low enough for the unit to stop functioning. It does this as a safety precaution, so that if you're on holidays or just away from the property when the batteries go low, it turns off your service supply in case there's a burst failure of your hot water service when you're not present, and before you've had a chance to swap the batteries over. So we can simulate this by removing a battery from the device, shorting the connection. I'm going to use a paper clip, ensuring that I get an audible powered alarm. So now that it thinks it has less than 4.5 volts, it will start flashing on the battery light, making a rotating beeping noise. So please ensure this is addressed, preferably before the valve turns off your hot water service. Now, if this does happen, if you haven't visited a property in a period of time that contains a Mildred valve and your hot water is not coming out of your faucet or out of your tap, please first check the batteries in the Mildred valve and that the device has been reset.